Okay, so picture this. You walk into a busy office,
Uh-huh.
and bam, everyone's name and role pops up on a screen as they walk by.
Right.
No more awkward do I know you moments.
Yeah,
Just instant recognition.
I like that.
That's the magic of a visitor display board. And today we're diving deep into this tech that's changing the way we work.
Definitely change the way we work. And,
Yeah.
it's not just about knowing who's who, though.
Right.
These boards, they tap into our need for connection and belonging.
Okay, that's interesting.
Yeah, turning a potentially anonymous space into a more welcoming environment.
Absolutely. And for this deep dive, we're taking our cues from Teamgo.
Okay,
They're an Australian company specializing in visitor management software.
makes sense.
They're the pros at making offices run smoothly and securely. So their insights are really valuable here.
For sure, for sure. And before we get into all the details,
Yeah,
let's address why should you, the listener, care about visitor display boards?
exactly.
Well, whether you're a CEO, an intern, or just someone curious about the future of the workplace,
Right.
this tech is impacting how we interact,
Uh-huh.
and understanding its implications is crucial.
Absolutely. So the Teamgo article kicks things off by saying these boards are more than just a name tag.
Yeah,
They're talking about that first impression, right?
right.
You walk into a new office,
What?
maybe for a big meeting or even a job interview, and instead of feeling lost, you're instantly greeted and directed.
Exactly. Like you feel seen, don't you?
Yes.
Like someone thought about you coming into this space.
Okay, I get that, but it seems a bit superficial, doesn't it?
Hmm.
Just a fancy way to make a good first impression.
Well, yeah, there's an element of that for sure.
Right.
But think about it from a practical standpoint.
Okay.
Clear signage directions
Yeah.
can reduce confusion, improve efficiency,
Mm-hmm.
and even create a sense of calm in a busy environment.
Okay, I'm starting to see the bigger picture here.
Yeah,
But let's get into how these things actually work.
sure.
The article mentions real-time updates, which sounds pretty impressive.
Yeah.
Is it some kind of high-tech sorcery?
Not sorcery, but pretty clever tech.
Okay.
These boards are actually connected to a visitor management system,
Uh-huh.
often using facial recognition to instantly match faces with pre-registered information.
Okay.
So when someone walks in, the system recognizes them and their details pop up on the board.
Wow, so it's not just a static list of names.
Right.
It's constantly updating based on who's coming and going.
Exactly.
That's going to be great for security, right?
Yeah, absolutely.
Yeah.
One of the key benefits is how these boards help identify unfamiliar individuals,
Right.
especially in larger offices where it's impossible to know everyone.
Yeah, you can't know everyone.
Right. Let's say someone enters the building who hasn't signed in or isn't supposed to be there.
Oh, no.
Their image is captured by the system displayed on the board, and security personnel are immediately alerted.
So it's like having an extra set of eyes
Exactly.
constantly scanning for potential security risks.
Yeah, and it also creates a sense of security for employees and visitors. Knowing that there's a system in place to monitor who's in the building can definitely put people at ease.
For sure, but security isn't the only benefit, right?
Right.
The article dives into some other pretty cool uses for these boards.
It does, yeah, and this is where we get into the less obvious but equally important impact on workplace culture.
Okay.
These boards aren't just about keeping track of visitors. They can be used to highlight and recognize employees, too.
So instead of just seeing John Smith visitor on the screen,
Right.
you might see Sarah Jones marketing manager with her picture and maybe a fun fact about her.
Exactly. And imagine the impact of that, especially for new hires who are trying to learn everyone's names.
Oh, that's a good point.
It creates a more welcoming and personalized environment,
Right.
which can have a significant effect on employee morale and engagement.
Okay, I'm starting to see how these boards go beyond just the practical stuff.
Yeah,
They're actually shaping the way people experience the workplace.
for sure.
But is this just a trend for big corporations, or can smaller businesses benefit from this tech too?
That's a great question and something we should definitely unpack further.
Yeah.
The benefits of clear communication and a sense of community aren't limited to large offices.
Right.
But before we dive into those details,
Good.
let's take a quick step back and think about the bigger picture here.
All right, I'm ready to get philosophical.
Okay.
What's the big takeaway so far?
Well,
What should our listener be mulling over
yeah.
as we move into the next part of this deep dive?
I think the key takeaway is that visitor display boards represent a shift in how we think about workplace design and the role technology plays in fostering connection and belonging.
I like that.
It's no longer just about efficiency and security.
Right.
It's about creating an environment where everyone feels seen, valued, and part of the team.
I love that it's not just about tech, it's about people.
Exactly.
And that's what makes this deep dive so fascinating.
I agree.
All right, so we've established that visitor display boards aren't just fancy digital name tags.
Right.
They're about security, sure, but they also play a role in shaping company culture
Yeah.
and creating a more welcoming atmosphere.
Absolutely.
But how does this actually work in practice? Does
Right.
everyone need to wear a special badge or something?
So that's where the visitor management system comes in.
Okay.
It's like the brains behind the operation.
Uh-huh.
Think of it as a sophisticated check-in system
Okay.
that gathers information about each visitor,
Okay.
their name company, who they're visiting,
Right.
maybe even a photo.
Okay, so it's not just about slapping a sticky note with your name on it anymore.
Right.
There's a whole process involved.
Yeah.
But how does that information get onto the display board?
Okay.
Is someone manually updating it every time a guest arrives?
No, not at all.
Okay.
That's where the real-time aspect comes into play.
Okay.
This system is often integrated with other technologies,
Uh-huh.
like facial recognition, to automatically update the display board as people come and go.
Oh, wow.
So when you walk in, the system recognizes you, pulls up your information from the visitor management system,
Yeah.
and boom, your name and details appear on the screen.
That's pretty slick.
It is.
So it's not just a static list.
No.
It's a dynamic living record of who's in the building at any given moment.
Exactly.
I think it can see how that would be incredibly useful for security purposes.
Yes.
Like we talked about earlier.
For sure, having that real-time information readily available is crucial in emergency situations.
Right.
Imagine a fire drill,
Oh.
or in the worst-case scenario, an evacuation.
Oh, yeah.
Security personnel can quickly glance at the display board and get an accurate head count of who's still inside the building.
It's like a digital roll call.
Yeah.
Always updated and ready to go.
Right.
That takes a lot of the guesswork out of emergency procedures
Absolutely.
and can potentially save lives.
For sure. But beyond the critical safety applications, there's another interesting aspect to consider: employee recognition.
Oh, right.
Yeah. Remember how the Teamgo article highlighted the use of these boards to showcase employee profiles?
Oh, yeah, that was the fun twist part, right?
Yeah.
I'm still a little fuzzy on how that actually works.
Okay.
Does every employee get their own little bio on the screen?
Not necessarily a full bio,
Okay.
but definitely a highlight.
Okay.
It's about making employees feel seen and appreciated.
Uh-huh.
Imagine walking through the office and seeing a colleague's face pop up on the screen with a congratulatory message for closing a big deal
Oh, that's nice.
or achieving a milestone.
Yeah, I like that.
Yeah.
So it's not just about visitors anymore. It's
Right.
about creating a culture of recognition and celebration within the company.
Exactly.
That's pretty cool.
It is. And it can have a tangible impact on morale and engagement.
Okay.
Studies have shown that personalized recognition, even something as simple as seeing your name and picture on a display board, can
Yeah.
boost employee morale by up to 20%.
Wow, that's significant.
It is.
I never would have guessed that something seemingly small could have such a measurable effect.
It's all about those little moments of acknowledgement
Yeah.
that make people feel valued and part of a team.
Uh-huh.
And visitor display boards provide a unique platform for fostering that sense of belonging.
For sure, for sure. But let's be honest, a lot of people might see this as just another piece of flashy tech.
Uh-huh.
Is there a risk of it feeling impersonal or even gimmicky?
That's a valid concern.
Yeah.
The key is to use this technology thoughtfully and authentically.
Okay.
It's not about bombarding people with information or creating a digital popularity contest.
Right.
It's about finding creative ways to enhance communication, build connections, and create a more positive and engaging workplace experience.
So it's not just about the tech itself.
Right.
It's about how it's used and integrated into the company culture.
Precisely. And that brings us back to the question you raised earlier about whether this technology is only relevant for large corporations.
Oh, right. Because so far we've mostly been talking about big office settings. Yeah.
But what about smaller businesses, schools, community centers?
Right.
Can they benefit from visitor display boards too?
That's where things get really interesting.
Yeah.
And I think it's the perfect segue into the final part of our deep dive.
Okay.
We've explored the core functions and benefits.
Yeah.
But now it's time to expand our thinking and consider the broader possibilities of this technology beyond the traditional workplace.
All right. I'm intrigued. Let's break down those walls and see where visitor display boards could take us in the future. So we've spent this whole deep dive exploring how these visitor display boards are changing the office.
Yeah.
But now I'm wondering, where else could this tech be used to make a real difference? We talked about being prepared for emergencies,
Right.
but the Teamgo article hinted that there are a lot more uses for them.
Yeah, it is fascinating to think about how many ways this tech can be used.
Yeah.
I mean, think about schools, for example.
Okay.
Instead of those boring bulletin boards,
Uh-huh.
imagine a screen that welcomes students, announces events.
Even celebrates achievements.
That would be so cool.
Yeah, it could really change how schools communicate and build school spirit.
I love that. And wouldn't it be helpful for parents, too?
Definitely.
During those crazy morning drop-offs,
Uh-huh.
parents could quickly see if their kid's class has any last-minute changes or announcements.
Exactly. And it would help with security, too,
Oh, right,
which is
yeah.
a big concern for schools.
For sure.
These boards could add another layer of protection.
Okay.
Imagine a system that instantly flags anyone who's not allowed in the building.
Wow.
It could give the staff time to respond to potential threats.
It's like a digital guardian at the front door,
Yeah,
always watching who comes and goes.
exactly. That peace of mind would be so valuable.
Totally. And what about hospitals?
Oh, yeah.
Managing visitors there is so important.
That's critical.
Could these boards streamline check-in,
Uh-huh.
direct visitors to where they need to go,
Yeah,
and even give updates on patients in waiting areas?
definitely. All while making sure patient information stays private, of course.
Of course. So those stressful hospital visits could be less chaotic
Right.
and way more efficient.
Absolutely. It would be a huge relief for everyone.
What about community centers? Libraries, even churches?
Yeah.
These places need people to connect and be engaged.
They do.
Could a visitor display board highlight events,
Huh?
showcase local artists, or even help members talk to each other?
It's like that old community bulletin board,
Right.
but high-tech.
Exactly. It could bring people together
Yeah.
and create that feeling of community.
Exactly. And we've only just started thinking about the possibilities
Right.
as this technology gets even better.
Yeah.
We'll see even more creative uses for it.
Like what?
Imagine interactive displays
Okay.
that let visitors access information, give feedback,
Uh-huh.
or even connect with staff instantly.
The possibilities are really amazing.
They are.
We started talking about visitor display boards in offices, but now it's clear this tech can change so many parts of our lives.
It really can. It's all about using technology to improve communication,
Uh-huh.
make connections,
Yeah.
and create welcoming and inclusive spaces everywhere.
As we finish up this deep dive, we have a final question for you.
Okay.
How could you use a visitor display board in your own life? It could be at work at home or in your community.
Yeah.
The possibilities are endless.
So get creative and see how this technology can change how we interact with each other.
This is just the beginning.
It is.
Thanks for joining us on the deep dive. Until next time.